This Pat?
You know, I can't work out when it got to that stage, but it started its journey maybe 2 months ago or so.
So it's 2 months. All right, so I'm going to see if I can perform any magic using my new tools. So I'm just going to do a pendulum assessment and see what this pendulum does. So at the fingertip, not much. Coming around the back, yes, because it's tendon and not nerve, it's going up and down. Okay, just turn your palm up for me.
But you know, I don't believe a word of this.
That's okay. Okay, definitely tendon. So this is the flexor tendon going into the wrist. There is a bit of nerve, or a lot of nerve. Tendon again. Can you bring your sleeve up above your elbow?
Yeah. It's only cotton, this thing, but I'm boiling.
Just want to screen your median nerve. No pins and needles or tingling, hey?
No.
But the nerve is irritated there. In your carpal tunnel, which we wouldn't have known unless because you've got no tingling, so unless we used the pendulum and a little bit of digital nerve irritation there. Okay, so now we're going to start off with some green light. And I am going to supercharge it in a moment with a crystal. So I'm going to get you to hold this crystal for me. Can you hold it?
But are you serious?
I'm very serious. Hold that there.
You don't know me.
Hold it there.
I am
Thank
the
you.
world's most...
Biggest skeptic.
Totally.
I love that. So this is something brand new. It's physics-based medicine. So you get chemistry and you get physics. And you get biochemistry. So what this is...
I didn't do any of those.
So this is light therapy. So when you add a crystal to light, basically we're supercharging that light. Okay. That's brilliant. And we want to see if we can get this finger to relax. And then I want to put this crystal there. Can you put your finger on the crystal? And I love a skeptical patient, because if you're skeptical and we get you to release this very painful trigger just using light, what do you think of that?
I don't know. I would normally think it's nonsense.
Okay.
But if it works, I would have to change my mind. But only if.
Only if it works. So that's all we're going to use today. We are going to use coherent light. I can already see that finger's starting to relax.
And you mentioned something about a splint, isn't that?
Yes, we're going to make the splint. But you know, what's the point in splinting you when it's so tight?
Yes.
I need this finger open. Okay, hold the light for me, please. Thank you. I'm now going to bring this here. So from a very tight trigger finger, we're starting to get some relaxation. How's the pain?
Not as bad.
Okay, lift that laser for me a moment. You hold it there. Shine it right into the crystal, and I'm going to put it right on the A1 pulley. Thank you. Try open your fingers. Okay, it's getting there. I'm going to place this right there. Place that on there, and then I'm going to use the tuning fork. What is so beautiful about this is that we're opening this severe trigger finger just through coherent sound and light. Starting to relax and open. So I'm vibrating the 111 Hertz tuning fork onto the crystal. Okay, let's see if we can get it open even more. I'm going to try this way. Lift the light for me. Now I'm going to change direction with the energy. I want this energy, and this crystal's super warm, by the way. Sorry, it's a bit of a rough point. I want the energy now to come from behind. So I'm going to do a little bit of work going this way, and then we'll see if we can get it completely flat without using any force, and just getting this trigger to release just using light. And when I started, it was too painful. There's a huge lump in the A1 pulley. It's really, really painful. There's no way we could open it before. So we have managed to open the hand just using light therapy. And now I'm just bringing my little pendulum. And it is completely still. Even over the carpal tunnel and up the arm. Pat, are you a converter, or am I doing woohoo stuff here?
I don't know.
Have I converted you? When last did you open your hand?
Well, I don't know. It took a long time to get to where it was.
But how long had it been stuck in the palm?
Well, that must be at least, that must be the 2 months more.
2 months. Okay, so for 2 months you couldn't open it. And we've managed to open up the finger with only using light. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make you a tiny little splint, and then I'm going to kinesio tape you.
You going to?
Use some kinesio tape, and we're just going to check your alignment, and then we're going to splint you and use the tape. Okay, can you bend your fingers now? And straighten. And bend. Okay, so we have fully resolved the triggering. Still a little bit of pain, but is the pain better?
Slightly.
Okay, so when you first came to me, you were really skeptical when I pulled out a crystal and a laser.
I'm still skeptical. I'll have to see about this.
Yeah, let's see how long it lasts, right? But we straightened your hand. This is just, to me, it's incredible. In the 25 years I've been a hand therapist, I've always just thought, oh, we need an injection. This is severe trigger finger. We rate it mild, moderate, severe. Yours is severe. It had been stuck in your palm for 2 months. And using light only, we've managed to completely straighten it, give you your hand back. But we will need a few sessions.